PJ plus COB multifunctional headlamp. Get a nice close-up look, show you what it looks like. You get two Type-C charging port cable, an instruction guide, two lamps, two head straps. Before we install the head straps, if you hold on to the head straps and you look at the arrows here and you twist, this reveals a hanging bracket. It also is where you're going to charge the unit. Fold the bracket down. On any magnet surface, it will hold. It's just not a headlamp. There are some buttons here that if you press to turn on the unit and dim down and change the different colors and flicker. On the other side of the unit, it'll also press and do different flickering. As you see over here, as we press on the unit, there are lights, the on and the lights. Long pressing shuts the unit off. Over here, there's a little spot, as well as a little spot. And that's where you're going to grab the unit, like so, in hand, and you're going to lock this into place. Over here, there's this little tab that you can simply adjust. Don't be afraid. It will bend and angle. Put the headband on. You simply slide the headband through. Little slot opening on each side. Repeat for the other side by giving a little stretch. An adjustment. Your glasses, they shouldn't interfere. And it fits nice and comfortable. Depending on the way I put it up, I'm facing up, so I need to take this and turn it around. It is a lightweight light that I could put on just about anything imaginable. I feel for the button and I press the ones I want on. I have a spotlight and I have an outer light. And if I keep pressing both of them, you can see I can get both colors flashing. So this unit is pretty awesome. Let's go outside at nighttime to demonstrate. But before I do that, I want to take it off the unit. I want to plug in the USB Type-C and I want to charge my unit up. I have a red LED indicator. When that completes, this gives you an idea of the brightness they are. There are a number of settings on the headlights that you simply just press: high, low, and flicker. There are two different types of bulbs. And the other side is a spotlight that you can see dims down and then goes red and then blinks. They are pretty bright that you can turn both of them on and you can have both of them going. Please forgive if the camera is flickering. But there you have the actual lights doing its job, giving you some type of information of brightness with light. If I need to look at my tire to see if anything's there, I can do so. And that looks pretty bright indeed for me. If I need a light underneath the door, I could put a light up there by the magnet.